In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for ExpressVPN. We'll go through the full sign-up process from start to finish, including choosing a plan, entering your email, paying securely, creating your account access, and making sure everything is working correctly at the end. ExpressVPN is designed to create an encrypted tunnel for your internet connection, which helps protect your browsing activity and can also let you access region-specific content. A premium subscription also supports up to 8 active devices at the same time and includes a 30-day money-back guarantee. To begin, open your web browser and go directly to expressvpn.com. It's important to use the official website so you avoid copycat pages, phishing attempts, or third-party tracking sites. Once the homepage loads, look for the Get Express VPN button. You'll usually find it in the center of the page or near the top right. Click that to open the order page. Next, choose your subscription plan. ExpressVPN offers the same core service across all plans, so the speed, security, and features stay the same no matter which one you pick. The main difference is the billing cycle. The 1-month plan is useful for short-term travel or testing. The 6-month plan gives you a middle ground option with some savings. And the 12-month plan is usually the best value, often with promotional bonus months included. After that, scroll to the section where you enter your email address. Type in a valid email that you can access easily. This is important because ExpressVPN uses your email for login verification codes and account recovery. So make sure it's one you actively use. Now choose your payment method. You can usually pay with a credit or debit card, including major card providers, or use digital wallets like PayPal, Apple Pay, or Google Pay. If privacy is a higher priority for you, cryptocurrency payment may also be available through BitPay. When you're ready, enter your billing details in the secure checkout fields and click Join Now or Subscribe. Once the payment is approved, you'll be redirected to your account dashboard. On that page, find the activation code and copy it somewhere safe. You'll need this code to sign in to the app on your devices without manually creating a traditional app password. You may also be prompted to create a strong master password for your web account. Make it at least 12 characters long and include a mix of uppercase letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. Finally, download the ExpressVPN app for your device from the dashboard, install it, and open it. Paste in your activation code when prompted. Then choose a server location. Click the main power button and wait until the app shows that you're connected. To confirm everything is working, open a private or incognito browser window and visit expressvpn.com/whatismyip. Check that the displayed IP address and country match the server location you selected. If they do, your setup is complete and your VPN connection is active.